Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to stop your Microsoft Edge from downloading AI models in your Windows machine. To stop Microsoft Edge from quietly downloading large multi-gigabyte local AI models on Windows 11, you can enforce specific policy using Windows Registry. This process permanently prevents Edge from storing on-device AI foundational models. To do this, the first thing what you will have to do is you will have to open the Registry Editor. So you can do a right click on the Start button and then click on Run. In the Run window, you may go ahead and type regedit and then click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on Yes or Continue on the screen. Now once you're on the Registry Editor, please be aware that you follow the steps correctly. In case if you delete any registry key or if you don't make correct registry entries, there are chances that your computer may not function properly. So once you have the Registry Editor open, it might be in an expanded format in case if you have used your Registry Editor for other things. So to collapse registry, you can click on this arrow here so that it is in this structure. So you're able to see these 5 hierarchies in your Windows registry key. Once you're on this structure, you will have to go ahead and expand HKey local machine by either clicking on the triangle, or you can use the right arrow to expand the registry key on your keyboard. Now once you're on this structure, you will have to go ahead and once you're on the local machine, you will have to go ahead and locate software, expand software, under software, locate for policies, expand policies, expand policy, under policy, expand Microsoft. Under Microsoft, check if you have a registry called Edge. In case if you have the registry for Edge, well and good. Otherwise, you may go ahead and create this registry key for Edge. All you can do is you can do a right click on Microsoft, click on New, select key and name this as Edge. Now once you have the registry key for Edge, you can select Edge. Once you have selected Edge, on the right hand side, you will have to go ahead and create a DWORD 32-bit value. So you can do a right click on the empty space on the right hand side, click on New and then choose DWORD 32-bit value and name this DWORD 32-bit value as GenAILocalFoundationalModelSettings. And when you're writing this text or the characters, make sure it is in the similar format. I will also mention this entry in the video description. You can copy it and paste it here. Once you have named this DWORD 32-bit value, you can hit enter. Once this DWORD value is created, you will have to do a right click on the DWORD value and then click on modify, change the value data from 0 to 1, click on OK, close the Registry Editor, restart your computer, and once you restart your computer, your Microsoft Edge won't try to download AI models on your computer, and any existing model are present on your computer, they will be deleted once you restart your computer. So this is how you can go ahead and stop your Microsoft Edge from downloading AI models in your Windows machine. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.